Welcome back to Mindful Moments, the podcast where mental health science meets real-life hope. I'm Samara. Today we're exploring a question many families ask: is borderline personality disorder genetic? And I'm honored to be joined by clinical psychologist and author Dr. Laura, whose research on BPD and genetics is helping families understand risk and resilience. Dr. Laura, thank you for being here.
Thank you, Samara. This is such an important conversation because understanding the science can reduce shame and guide support.
Let's start with the big picture. Is BPD inherited? If a parent has BPD, will their child definitely develop it?
Great question. And the short answer is no. BPD isn't passed down like eye color. Research shows it's about 40 to 60% heritable, which means genes load the gun, but environment pulls the trigger. Think of it like this. A child might inherit a sensitive emotional temperament, but whether that sensitivity becomes BPD depends heavily on childhood experiences, attachment, trauma, and support.
So it's not destiny. What specific genes or biological factors are researchers looking at?
Scientists are studying genes linked to serotonin regulation, stress response, and emotional reactivity. For example, variations in the SLC6A4 gene may affect how the brain processes stress. But, and this is critical, no single BPD gene exists. It's a complex dance between hundreds of genes and life experiences. This is where Dr. Laura's work shines. She emphasizes that biology isn't fate. Neuroplasticity means brains can heal and rewire with the right support.
That's such a hopeful message. So, if someone has a family history of BPD, what can they do to protect their mental health or their child's?
Prevention is powerful. First, early emotional coaching. Teach kids to name feelings, tolerate distress, and ask for help. Second, stable, nurturing relationships. A single secure attachment figure can buffer genetic risk. Third, if warning signs appear, like intense mood swings or self-harm thoughts, seek DBT-informed support early. The brain is most adaptable in adolescence. That's a window of opportunity.
Those are actionable steps. Before we close, I want to highlight something important. Dr. Laura has created free, science-backed resources, including a family risk guide, at bipolar-lives.com. Where can listeners learn more?
Thank you, Samara. All my articles, workbooks, and therapist directories are at bipolar-lives.com. And to anyone listening with a family history of BPD, your story isn't written in your genes. It's written in your choices, your connections, and your courage to seek help.
Beautifully said. To everyone listening, if this episode resonated with you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring more science-backed, stigma-breaking content to families who need it. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an episode. And if you have concerns about BPD or mental health, please reach out to a licensed professional. You are not alone.
Thank you for having me, Samara. And thank you, listeners, for showing up with curiosity and care. Be kind to your minds and to each other.
Until next time, take care. This has been Mindful Moments.